Okay, what's up guys? It's me, Vincent Lee, and we're playing. Did I say Vincent? Okay, Vincent Lee. We're playing Five Nights at Freddy's. What the? Five Nights at Freddy's. So here we go. Take four. Okay. Where's Point Karin?
Hey, let me.
No, please. Hey!
Oh, ako!
Speaking. What?
Ala, hindi ako makama! Hala!
Ano?
Hindi ako makama!
Oh,
Okay. Oh, isa pa. Okay. Let me try this one.
instead, I hate you. Instead, what
Hey,
the heck is
hey.
Foxy?
Hey.
Foxy, where are you? Okay. Hey, yeah. There we
Let me
go.
try this. There is one. This one. Let me try this one.
No. Oh, there is Chica. Chica the chicken. Okay, Chica, get away from my camera. Oh shoot. There's Bunny the bunny. Chica, get away, Chica. I want you. Get away, Babachi Chin Chica. Oh shoot. Chica, get away. Be a nice chicken.
No.
Oh, no. Where are you, Chica? Chica the chicken? Oh shoot. There you are. Gotcha. I think you're in my message.
This.
Oh no. Please, get away. Chica, get away. Be a nice chicken. Oh, there you are. You get away. Chica will never break. I'm gonna make it night 5 or shoot.
Oh, where am I?
Where are you? In my closet.
This.
Oh no! Chica is there. Bunny is not there. Oh shoot.
No.
That's not good! Oh shoot! Ah! Got you! Bitch. Gotcha. Oh.
Ba't tumakbo si Foxy?
Gotcha, bitch.
Ba't tumakbo si
You
Foxy?
think you can run up to me? Huh?
Ay, Kuya
You think you
Vince.
can run up to me?
Ay!
What?
Ba't tumakbo si Foxy?
Ewan ko. You think you can run at me? Huh? Think you can run at me? Huh? You're so naive. Foxy the fox. You're so naive, Foxy. You're so naive. Okay, it's good. Oh, shh. Please. Lock the door. Oh, shh. Please, you're so naive for freaking days. Okay, I'm dead. Please, get away. Get the freaking away from my lawn. No! Ah! Shh. I'm dead. Freaking dead.
Okay.
Wait.
Let me die.
No!
What?
I am freaking dead.
Okay.
I am freaking dead of my life for making me. Okay. That's enough. I'm gonna beat this level. Just calm down, and everything's gonna be okay.
Hey. Let me try.
Okay. Everything's gonna be okay. While Foxy's running at my security office. Oh shoot! They got What a scary face. Where the heck are you?
No, no, no.
Okay. Oh, where are you? Where are you anyway?
Hey.
What the? Where are you anyway? Where are you anyway? Where are you anyway? Bunny. It's me. Please get away from my security officer. You're gonna die. Ah. Wait, are you there? Huh? Don't mess with security guard. Huh? You hear that? Don't mess with security guard or I'm gonna kick your stupid butt or freaking ass. No, this can't be true. Why? This one is fast. Oh, I get it. You can't run fast on my lawn. You're moving freaking fast, or that's the way you dance. That's the way you dance. That's the way you dance. That's the way you dance.
Wait! Hello! Yung pinindot mo kanina?
That's the way you dance.
Hindi! Yung pinindot ko. Yung pinindot mo kanina. Saan yung pinindot mo?
Foxy. Oh, shh. Oh! Oh, no. I'm never gonna let him in. Please. Get away from my lawn. Please. Oh, alright. Okay. You are not in the air because I am super. Oh, no. I am super ridiculous for my dog. Shoot. As you can see.
Tumatakbo na si Foxy! Tumatakbo na si Foxy!
Oh, shh. Shoot. Please, Foxy, are you okay? Okay. Are you not okay? There you are. Okay. It's perfectly. What now? Get. Shoot. Okay. That's pretty. I'm nervous. Please. Let me win. Come on, 4 a.m. I'm dead. That's all. I'm dead. Don't shoot. I'm dead. I'm freaking dead because I hate my life. I'm dead. Oh! Don't tell me you're in here.
Hello, mother ka now. Tuloy.
No! You can't do this to me. You can't do.
Kasi sinabi.
Freddy, get away from me, Freddy. I wanna beat the 6th night to meet Golden Freddy. Oh!
Sino yun?
Oh no.
Oh, me first.
No!
Ako first.
Wala, hindi na tayo bote.
Ako first. Let me try.
Okay. Five Nights at Freddy's 2, I guess. I can't beat Night 4 because I hate.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay, custom.
There was a quest. Oh, please. Oh, shoot. Foxy.
Sorry, man.
Look at me, I'm Freddy. I am Freddy Fazbear. I work at a pizzeria. I'm Freddy Fazbear Pizza.
Para si Ryan.
Oh! Thanks guys for watching this. You will click like if you want and subscribe. What do you mean? And I'm sorry I can't beat that night 4. I hate this night 4. I hate this night 4. Okay. Well, see you guys.